kahit na masyalayo, pagsapasan sa sensation. Pangyaw Dates kaibigan kahit kailan. Yun na yan! Niyaw!
Siya daw ay nag-ano.
Niyaw! Wait lang,
punta na rin siya.
magkano muna tayo.
Teka lang.
Magkano muna tayo.
Come na.
Niyaw! We are here at Southern...
Come on, ladies and
We are here at Southern Luzon State University. As you can see, guys, we are having our Autumn Fest. Look,
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah.
Here's our
Yeah.
station. As you can
Yeah.
see,
Yeah.
we have the beautiful station here in the
No, we have the most
Yeah.
people say. No, yeah. Yeah.
Then, guys, you know how
Punta sa amin pangyaw, dali. O pa Gangnam style.
Oh, pag
Gangnam
Gangnam
style. O pa jam style.
Yeah. Who? Ulit natin. Call me maybe.
Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy. But here's my number. So call me maybe. And on the right. At your baby. But here's my number.
So call me maybe. Boy, you came into my life. I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad. I miss you. Yeah. As you can see, para akong sa kasal. Yeah, you know? Boom.
Picture kayong dalawa.
Ay, ako,
Sige.
ay, ako pangit ako. Tai Chi!
Tayo na.
Tai Chi! Pakita mo yung picture. Pakita mo din siya.
Ah, sige. Kita ka ba?
Miss China.
Pangyaw Yeshen Nichi! Okay. Sa lahat ng luha, lagi kang may kasama. Sa gitna ng ulan, karamay mo ako, kaibigan. Sa tatahakin mong daan, di kita iiwan. Di ka na mag-isa, kaibigan. Pangyaw Yishen Yitisho.
Nangalay na ako.
Ating pagkakaibigan di magbabago kailanman. Pangyaw putan kutan ko, Yishen pangyaw liway ko. Kahit na magkalayo, dito ka sa aking puso. Yan o. Pinakit mo na. Wag ka magkarin ng ilo. Ano?
You may adjust?
Alam niyo ba? Si Alex! Bastos! Hindi! Yaw! May bago! Ako! Ilamay ko yung Vegas ko! Putangin na dito. Ganap na. Ah! Shit! Kadiri doon. Yaw! Yaw!
Dali, libot. Kayo.
Sige, pakita mo. Pakita mo.
Now
Yeah,
we will.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is my life for life.
I know.
Because I'm going to be here.
Yeah.
As you can see,
Yeah.
I can understand
Here's
the side of
Madam.
my mouth.
There is the Buddha.
Not Buddha, man.
Buddha.
Pangyaw, it's in the sa'yo. It's
We have the same dress. Only
Oh yeah, you know. Oh, it's a video. It's a video.
Mamaya pa. Oh, Alex! Na kami. Alex! Kayo.
She can see we'll go to China.
Yeah. They're very busy.
Hello, video. Hello. Takad mo, takina. Yeah.
Wait lang. Here's our very beautiful booth. There. You know?
Much better than
Hello, video!
Yeah.
Here's our very... Pahingi ako!
Ay, dami na no.
There. Our very beautiful booth. Not the people, but the booth.
Oh, nice. What can you say?
Dito.
Putang ina. Our food is much better than this, isn't it?
Ay, sila iPad ko!
Isn't it? Andres!
We have sound system. Very expensive. We bought. Oh, yung mic. Ay, ano kami? Chopstick eating competition.
Sino may mic?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, video!
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Jump back, guys.
Oh, diba?
We can do that. Then our next location is
Our next stop is the stop.
there.
Aray!
Hey, hey. Guys. I am Miranda. And I don't know what you call this one. All I can say is, yeah. Guys, let's go. Chopa. Chopa daw. Let's go. Chopa. Lago na, bilis. Here's the martial arts. Yeah, they will teach how to...
Doggy.
Teach us how to
There.
dog.
They're very...
They are practicing their routines later. Ako, papakita ko. They are practicing their routines later. Yeah, watch. Watch, guys. Patay tanga, jump. Yo!
Saan ang whole body?
Hindi, video yan, dude. Magpakita ka. Oh.
See my abs? There.
There is the abs.
And then...
6 packs of abs, dude.
Sorry, I'm going to that.
Okay. There. There's jump.
I'm Jam.
Yeah.
And I am Jam. Yes.
Hello, announcement po. Mayroon pong gaganapin na speed eating competition dun sa booth namin. Pabilisan kumain ng gamit chopsticks. Alam po kayo. Yung mga estudyante dyan. May chopstick eating competition dito. Okay. Pwede sumali kahit sino. Pa-register kayo. 5 piso isang registration.
What's that?
Para po sa mga gustong bumati at mag-announce, punta lang po kayo dito sa booth namin. Dos isang announce.
Oy, punta kayo sa photobooth namin.
Ang ganda.
Hi, Bijo! Nagtataka.
Hi, Bijo.
Hi, Bijo!
Nag-a-announce ako. Nakita ko si Bicho,
Mamaya nga pa daw pala yung speed eating competition.
Sir!
Advance announcement para alam na ng lahat.
Announcement po, dos isa. Nagbayad kami. Hello there. Para sa makakita ng video na to, magpapagdab sa kayo.
Ano to? Ibang gusto? Ibang type? Ibang type? Ibang type nun? Photobooth. Hindi. Okay. Okay na.